This is my prized mini Bougainvillea collection. I love them and I'm sure you would too. Is there a pot too small for Bougainvilleas? Would they flower in it? How many years before they can be classified as bonsai? Hey plant lover, how you doing? Welcome back. Great to have you on the video. I often get this question when and if we need to repot or transplant a Bougainvillea after propagating it successfully from a cutting. Well, let me share some interesting facts. Number 1, growing Bougainvilleas from cuttings is your best option with more chances of it flowering and surviving. 2, you can always negate the pot size by making sure the soil is changed every now and then. 3, Bougainvilleas love the sun and small pots can be transferred to a suitable location easily. 4, some pruning and trimming of shoots and roots would get your Bougainvillea bonsai within a couple of years. The specimen you'll see in this video have all been growing in these small pots for more than 3-4 years. And if you look closely, they seem to have more flowers than leaves. I'll leave a curated Bougainvillea playlist in the description box. Please check it out as well. And now let's dive into the much awaited video. Please hit that subscribe button. And yes, don't forget to press the notification bell. Let's go. Get some cuttings from a healthy plant and of course without harming the parent plant and grow them in soil mix with equal parts of garden soil and coco peat. No fertilizer or any other supplements for 24 months. Just water and provide optimum sunlight and deal with the weeds if necessary. Now I'll be sharing what to do every 6 to 8 months. Refresh the soil content and prune the roots and shoots if the plant is in need of it. This time around you can add wholesome garden soil with some organic fertilizer. As I've said in most of my answers, Bougainvilleas don't take inorganic fertilizer that well. Carefully tap the soil all around and devoid pots of any air pockets. Always remember to water the plants after a prune, trim, repot, soil change. All in all, any process you do to your plants, don't forget to water immediately. Let us say you're changing a plant's location from the sun to shade. Then also water right then and there. Within 24 hours, you would know if the transplant was a success or not. And if there were any complications, you know what to do. Check out the videos in description box. This is my prized mini Bougainvillea collection. I love them and I'm sure you would too. Get started and make most of the season. Wherever you are, you need to get at least 2 to 3 of these, if not more. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit like, and if you didn't, please share your feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for your time. I had so much fun as always bringing this video. Please keep up the support and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay cheerful, healthy and safe. I'll see you soon with more videos. Cheers. Goodbye.